Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best heavy-duty chairs is probably one of the most important investments you can make for comfortable and safe outdoor adventures, especially if you're someone who values durability and can hold a weight of 300 to 500 pounds. In this video, we will review the top heavy-duty camping chairs on the market, comparing their features, weight capacity, build quality, and overall value to help you choose the perfect chair for your needs, whether you're a large person, need extra support, or simply want a chair that can withstand the rigors of frequent use. Number 5. Timber Ridge Chair. Get ready for ultimate comfort and relaxation with our new camping chair. It's designed for your ultimate relaxation and enjoyment in any outdoor setting. Experience spacious seating with its extra-wide seat and high back. You'll have ample room to relax and unwind. It's built with a heavy-duty steel frame, supporting up to 500 pounds. You can depend on it for years of outdoor adventures. Stay organized with the built-in cup holder and side pocket. Keep your drinks, snacks, and phone within easy reach. The padded headrest and armrests provide superior comfort. You can fully relax and enjoy your time outdoors. Perfect for camping, sporting events, or just relaxing in your backyard. It's the ideal companion for all your outdoor activities. What we like. It boasts impressive dimensions and a robust steel frame, ensuring comfort and stability for larger individuals. If you need a chair that can handle a lot of weight and provides ample space, this is the one for you. This chair is perfect for those who value durability and convenience, offering a relaxing seating experience with added storage. What people say. Not only sturdy, strong, stable, and solid, but incredibly comfortable too. The makers of this chair didn't stop with stability and comfort but provided well-thought-out extras that are not found anywhere else. Like a beverage holder that is hidden under the seat that swings out available when you need it, and a large flap that hangs off one side with pockets for books, magazines, snacks, or whatever. The armrests are covered with rolled canvas that is surprisingly comfortable and located at a comfortable height and position. The legs have swiveling feet that would increase stability on uneven surfaces. The back is at just the right angle for sitting up straight or allowing you to slightly recline. The chair was everything I was looking for. It is sturdy and of good quality. This one matched his size perfectly. He sat in it easily, and was able to get out of it. It does fold up and unfold nicely. The attachments are well made. They showed up, and after unboxing, they were in a really nice storage bag. Not one of those super thin ones either. It's got some kind of lining on the inside material, or so it looked to me. Nice and durable. Setup is easy, just unfold and have a seat. The blue version from the company comes with a nice bag for your magazine or phone, and a swing-out cup holder. The metal is nicely coated tube design and very firm feeling. Not that flimsy aluminum stuff, this is a steel frame chair. Material feels thick and sturdy, something that is going to hold up pretty well with some simple care. The arms are a solid tube so you can rest on them with ease, again, not a floppy piece of cloth. Feet are on a rocker design so they'll adapt to weird ground but have little tread so they don't slide around once you set it up. The seat doesn't have weird plastic rivets on the side, and it doesn't have a metal bar under the front of the cloth digging into your thighs. Speaking of the seat, did I mention it was roomy? Folding it up took about 5 seconds to figure out. It did fit back into the bag too, which was nice. Number 4. Overmont Folding Chair. It's made of double-layer tear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric with a comfy sponge cushion. This ensures it's both durable and breathable, perfect for all-day comfort. This chair can support up to 450 pounds. The sturdy frame and non-slip feet provide a stable and safe seating experience. It has mesh pockets, a cooler bag, and a cup holder. You'll have easy access to all your essentials, whether you're at the beach or camping. With a fully padded backrest and armrests, it's designed for ultimate comfort. You can relax in it for hours without discomfort. It's incredibly easy to set up and folds down to a compact size. It's lightweight too, making it perfect for taking on any adventure. This chair is ideal for those who want extra space and comfort. It's perfect for larger individuals or anyone who appreciates a roomy seat. What we like. This chair stands out with its tear-resistant Oxford fabric and high weight capacity, promising lasting durability. If you prioritize a chair's longevity and need ample storage for your belongings, this is an excellent choice. Its multiple pockets and cooler bag are perfect for keeping your essentials close at hand during outdoor adventures. What people say. Durable. Can holder is a smidge too deep and wide for a can of Diet Pepsi but will accommodate a Stanley-sized cup. Lots of pockets. I love the sturdiness of this chair. Also, its wider and deeper dimensions make it so comfortable for this 6-foot-tall woman. The left armrest has a small, zipped cooler bag attached, which I love for storing snacks and drinks at the beach. The bag is also super sturdy with a comfy arm strap. Convenient extra seat, easy to move and fit almost anywhere, just as easy to fold away when not in use. Worth the price. I bought others that lasted a short time. This is good quality material. The cup holders have been used often. I like seeing the chair used though the material doesn't keep falling off like others' chairs that can drive people crazy, especially if you have a bad back. I'm glad I bought it. Number 3. Sunnyfeel XXL Chair. This chair is perfect for those who need extra space and support. Its large size and sturdy construction ensure ultimate comfort. It comfortably holds up to 500 pounds. You can relax knowing it's built to last. With built-in cup holders and a handy bottle opener, you'll have everything you need within reach. It also has a convenient storage pocket. The heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced fabric mean this chair will withstand even the toughest outdoor adventures. It's an investment that will last for years. Setting it up is a breeze, and the included carry bag makes transportation easy. Take it anywhere. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or relaxing at home, this chair is perfect for any occasion. Enjoy ultimate comfort wherever you go. What we like. This super oversized chair is designed for ultimate comfort and can support up to 500 pounds. If you're a big and tall person seeking a comfortable and supportive chair for outdoor events, this is ideal. The built-in bottle opener and multiple cup holders add extra convenience for relaxing and enjoying your time outdoors. What people say. Very comfortable and definitely for a big and tall individual. I am over 6 foot tall and my feet don't touch the ground. Very sturdy and yet not a burden to move. Also nice cargo space and awesome beer holders and opener. Well-made camp chairs. Heavy-duty everything, and the padded back and seat make these chairs super comfy. The hubby loves it. He's a very large man with mobility issues. The seat is higher than a regular camp chair, so it's easy for him to get in and out. It's very sturdy, and folds up nicely in its carry bag. Number 2. Sunnyfeel XL Chair. It's extra large and can hold up to 300 pounds. You'll relax in comfort wherever you go. With built-in cup holders, you can keep your drinks and phone close at hand. No more juggling items. This chair is made with heavy-duty steel and durable fabric. It's designed to withstand lots of use. Setting it up is a breeze, simply unfold it and you're ready to relax. It's that easy. Take it camping, to the beach, or even use it in your backyard. It's perfect for any outdoor adventure. Whether you are at a sporting event, concert, or simply relaxing at home, this chair provides superior comfort and support. What we like. This oversized chair offers great comfort for its weight capacity and sets up in seconds. If you want a comfortable chair that's easy to transport and set up, this is a great option. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for those who prioritize portability without sacrificing comfort. What people say. Perfect size and height. I am 5 feet 6 inches for reference, and it does not have the singing uncomfortable feel of standard camping chairs. Very sturdy and quality framing. These are big and sturdy chairs. Not too heavy to carry, easy setting up, and easy collapsing down. The chair is very sturdy. I've used it several times already and she's got strong legs. I like that it has a cup holder and a little bottle opener on the side. Number 1. Guide Gear Rocker. Introducing the Guide Gear Oversized Rocking Camp Chair. It's perfect for camping, tailgating, or just relaxing in your backyard. This chair is built to last with its heavy-duty, oversized design and 600 denier polyester fabric. It can comfortably hold up to 500 pounds. You'll enjoy superior support thanks to its powder-coated, tubular steel frame. It's strong and durable, ensuring stability and comfort. It folds flat for easy transport and storage, making it ideal for taking on any adventure. It features a built-in cup holder and an adjustable pad that can be used as a headrest or lumbar support. Enjoy ultimate relaxation wherever you go. Experience the ultimate in outdoor relaxation with this comfortable and durable rocking chair. Get yours today. What we like. Experience the unique relaxation of a rocking chair while enjoying the outdoors. If you are looking for a comfortable and portable rocking chair for camping or relaxing at home, this is the perfect choice. Its sturdy construction and portability make it suitable for various outdoor activities. What people say. It is extremely sturdy and the lumbar support is great. The cup holder and phone device slot is a nice touch because it is deep enough to securely sit your items in. The fittings are tight and slightly difficult to unfold at first, but now a month later, much easier. At 5 feet 2 inches this chair fits me perfectly. The rocking motion is smooth and very soothing. Its generous seating and solid construction make it the perfect choice, and the best part, it rocks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.